Dear friends, hello. Today we will talk about routing in tourism and travel industry. It's a very important topic in operations management. In this unit, we will discuss production planning and control. Under production planning and control, there are different subunits like forecasting, routing, scheduling, expediting, aggregate planning, master scheduling, MRP, PPC in job shop, batch production, mass production projects, GIT and ERP. Introductory part of ERP is in our scope of studies in operations management. My dear students, routing means when you are deciding any route. So routing, exact meaning of routing is process of action. For example, in a theme park, travel agency, hotels, logistics operations. Being as a manager, when you are deciding route, that is known as routing. That process is known as routing. Now let us understand what is production control, because routing is a part of production control. So in production control we talk about basically four processes. Number one is scheduling, second is sequencing, third is loading, fourth is expediting. Scheduling means how you are deciding schedule, that I have already covered in the class. Scheduling is basically related to time of operations. In scheduling we talk about start time, total process time, and how much time taken for what kind of operations. Then sequencing means to put different operations while production of any service or product in proper sequence. Then loading means time on machine or in the shop floor while producing any service related to our industry. Expediting means to execute. If we have to improve, execute means after scheduling, sequencing, and loading, you have to read, you have to take feedback, and you have to compare with your desired operation part. It means when you are completing the process and you are comparing with the desired process. Now let us talk more about routing. For example, in theme park, we talk about shortest route. When we are following shortest route, that is cost saving, and when you are following long route, it means you are going to cover all attractions available in the theme park. So according to your need, according to the demand, you can decide your route. In logistics, tracking of parcels. So you can apply routing in tracking of parcels through internet. So its advantages are cost, online visibility is there, quality operations are there. You can ensure quality of operations to the customer. The person who has booked parcel, he can his see location of the parcel in real time mode. So it is real time process, and reliability factor is there. It means total operation is reliable. Routing basically in our industry, we can say that when we are preparing a travel plan, itinerary, so that is routing. You are deciding the route. Beside route, you are also writing many other variables or factors. Like we used to say that there should not be any backtrack when you are deciding travel plan. If there is backtrack in the itinerary, it means you are unnecessarily wasting fuel and time of the tourist. So it is cost and fuel saving, and it can give right experience to the tourist. Routing is a part of production control, loading, sequencing, scheduling, and expediting different functions. My dear students, routing means how to choose proper appropriate path for traffic. So here traffic can be traffic of the tourist transport, traffic of cargo and logistics. What is the purpose of routing? The purpose of routing is to transmit, communicate, transport, facilitate travel from source to destination. Like in airlines or aviation industry, we follow hub and spoke method for operations of different aircrafts. So you can do a task, you can collect data about routing done by airline companies like railways, travel agents, and five-star hotel properties. Routes can be two kind of routes, short route and long route. Short route is time saving, resources are saved, and weekend it is followed in weekend travel. Long route is covering maximum destinations. It is time taking and experience is thorough for the tourist. Students, thank you. I will wait for your feedback. Thank you very much.